Hoover Dam. No visit to Las Vegas would be complete without a day trip to visit Hoover Dam, southeast of Las Vegas, just off U.S. Route 93. Here you can see how man has tamed both Mother Nature and the hostile climate of the Nevada desert in two engineering marvels, the dam itself and the new bypass bridge. Completed in October of 2010, the 2,000-foot-long bridge known as the Mike O'Callahan-Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge spans the Black Canyon. The bridge connects Arizona to Nevada and sits approximately 900 feet above the Colorado River and the canyon floor. Built in the 1930s, Hoover Dam was the largest construction project of its kind, employing over 20,000 men. Hoover Dam cost $50 million in 1931 to build, which would be the equivalent of about $700 million in today's dollars. The dam is 726 feet high, 45 feet thick at the top, and 660 feet thick at the bottom. Hoover Dam is filled with 3.25 million cubic yards of concrete. That's enough concrete to pave a 16-foot wide road, 8 inches thick, from San Francisco to New York City. Riverboat tours of Lake Mead can also be arranged for a different view of this massive dam. The dam hosts over 1 million visitors a year and is open for visitors daily except for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Tours exploring the inside of the dam may be purchased at the Visitor Center. Hoover Dam. I'm Chuck McKibben, saying thanks for joining us.